and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video मैं आप लोगों को दिखाने वाली हूँ 10 ऐसे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स जो आपके पास दिवाली पे जरूर होने चाहिए बिकॉज दिवाली जैसा ग्लो आपको रोज कहाँ मिलने वाला है. सो पहला प्रोडक्ट जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ दैट इज अ स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट. दैट इज द मॉइस्चराइजर फ्रॉम सीटाफिल. एंड द मोमेंट आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग दिस मॉइस्चराइजर आई हैवंट लुक्ड बैक बिकॉज इसका टेक्सचर बहुत अच्छा है. ये नॉन ग्रीसी है एंड स्किन पे बहुत इजीली ग्लाइड होता है. दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट एक्सपेंसिव मॉइस्चराइजर फॉर डेली यूज बट वंस यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग दिस product I must say that you will never look back. The next product in my hand is also another skincare product which I recommend you to apply on the skin before makeup. This is the Indulgio Essentials Rose Gold Oil 24 karat gold infused beauty oil. This looks something like this. The packaging is very rich and the product itself feels very rich on the skin, and I must say that makeup will glide on the skin like heaven when you use this product before your primer. The next makeup product is the Inside Makeup Essentials Primer 3-in-1 and I suggest you to buy this product because first of all ये एक ऐसा प्राइमर है जो पोर फिलिंग भी है, हाइड्रेटिंग भी है एंड स्किन के ऊपर मेकअप को ग्लाइड करने में इजीली बहुत हेल्प करता है. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी चीप प्रोडक्ट, रिटेल्स फॉर ₹240 and I don't think so I will never back out from this product and you should get your hands on this product for sure because this is one of those products which I say that you can use on every skin and on every makeup you do. This product is something जो easily लोग recommend नहीं करते हैं या use नहीं करते हैं या उनको लगता है कि ये mixer है, but this LA Girl Pro Conceal Simulator or Corrector HD High Definition. This is in white color but this is actually a highlighter. When I say that this is the highlighter, it looks something like this on skin. You will think कि ये white color कर देगा skin को, but ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. When you blend this product in your skin, you see the shine on your skin which is something the people die for these days. Dewy look के लिए अगर आपको कुछ product चाहिए, I must recommend this product, this LA Girl highlighter. After your primer is must in your makeup vanity this Diwali because this is awesome product. The next makeup product which I swear by on is this LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Foundation, and this foundation retails for around 1250 or 1300 rupees. I don't know the exact price right now, but this foundation gives the HD finish and this is medium to full coverage, so you can build this product on. And this is the product जो मैं कहूँगी कि आप ब्राइडल मेकअप के अंदर भी डाल सकते हैं and this is a very good quantity. ये जल्दी से खत्म होने वाला भी नहीं है, so I must recommend you to buy this product if you are looking for a budget friendly foundation because महंगे से महंगे foundation भी I have used but I haven't seen the finish like this, and this product is my current new favorite. And अगर आप दिवाली पे कुछ अच्छा foundation देख रहे हो, पूरा दिन लगने वाला, पूरा दिन टिकने वाला foundation, तो ये एक ऐसा foundation है. I have applied this foundation on my skin from 9 AM in the morning till 12 AM. हमारे घर में कुछ function था तब I have applied and this product didn't go anywhere. The foundation, the coverage, the texture was exactly same as the morning. It doesn't oxidize as well, so I would recommend you to buy this product. If you are a oily skin person then apply it directly, but if you are a dry skin person or belongs to super dry family, you should apply some facial oil before this because this is gonna glide easily then only. So next product is again from the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is their concealer, वो same range ही है but this is in the shade Warm Honey and this I use this product as a corrector on my skin and I must say that इनकी coverage जो है वो बहुत अच्छी है, full coverage है almost, and I don't think so इस price range के अंदर आपको ये वाली coverage किसी और concealer के अंदर मिलेगी. I recommend you to buy this because this is a very nice product. If you are again oily skin person then आपको कुछ भी mix करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but अगर आप dry skin family से belong करते हो तो एक mixing plate के अंदर इसके साथ एक facial oil थोड़ा सा अगर आप add कर लोगे तो आपका skin जो है वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से glow करेगा जैसे कि आज मेरा कर रहा है. Next is another concealer recommendation which is from Swiss Beauty. आजकल इसकी बहुत hype चल रही है, अगर आप देखोगे तो हर दूसरा channel इस वाले concealer को बहुत ज़्यादा promote कर रहा है and the reason behind the hype of this product is because ये product actually में बहुत अच्छा है. ये product like इससे सस्ता concealer I haven't ever seen and I'm in the shade Clear Moin and ये सब products जो है मैंने near by store से लिए हैं रसोली गार्डन के अंदर, but you can buy it online too. This Swiss Beauty concealer is really nice and a full coverage and ये bond के साथ आता है जो कि usually जो इतने सस्ते concealers होते हैं नहीं आते. इसका texture बहुत अच्छा है, glide बहुत अच्छे से करता है skin के अंदर. So if you are something who is looking for a budget friendly makeup then you should invest in this. एंड अगर मेरे से पूछा जाए कि आप LA Girl के अंदर इन्वेस्ट करोगे या स्विस ब्यूटी के अंदर, आई वुड से स्विस ब्यूटी के अंदर पहले इन्वेस्ट करना एंड देन गो फॉर द LA Girl कंसीलर बिकॉज LA Girl कंसीलर इज गुड बट दिस इज ऑसम. सो कंसीलर की रिकमेंडेशन अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुई है, बस नाउ आई हैव कम अप विद with another concealer which is from the Maybelline. This is their Instant Age Remind Eraser. ये मेरा favorite नहीं है. If you're looking something for the full coverage, if I say, then you should invest in this product, and I recommend you to apply this product with a brush only, because ये beauty blender से इतनी अच्छी blending नहीं देता है जितनी blending ये अच्छी देता है आपके brush से. And this product is a heaven grade. ये इस तरीके से अप्लाई होता है. इसको अगर आप blend करने पे आओगे तो blend बहुत easily, smoothly और full coverage देगा. This is my highlighting shade and that's why it's looking little light on my skin right now. But this product is very nice and I must say that you should invest in this because this is a very full coverage concealer. और वो जो दोनों है that is medium to full coverage. I mean कि आप उसको apply करोगे and then you blend it and then you apply another layer to make it buildable and full coverage, तो वो आपका बहुत अच्छे से full coverage दिखेगा. But this one stroke full coverage concealer. The next face product in my hand is right now is the LA Girl Pro Face Compact. So I don't invest in compact a lot because I think one compact is enough for my 1 year makeup. Compact is really nice. I have used it today and you can see that this has filled my pores a little bit, and you can see the under eye are not creasing, and it sets my makeup very well. And this has a lot of shades, so that is the best part. And again, this is very affordable. You can buy this. It comes with a sponge underneath. You can see that this is the first layer which has compact in it, and underneath there is a place where there is a sponge, so you can directly put it into your bags and travel anywhere you want, and you can touch up your makeup so easily like this. The next product which I swear by, and I say कि one time investment है, एक बार investment करोगे उसके बाद investment करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी because this has a lot of shades. And the best part about this is कि अगर आप एक बार invest करोगे खत्म होने वाला नहीं है इतनी जल्दी. It has 6 shades in it and all the shades are very pretty. आप इनको mix and match करके अपने outfit के according, warms के according, undertone के according कि आपके यहाँ पे warm undertone है या cool undertone है उसके according आप use कर सकते हो. This is a palette which retails for different prices all over, because कुछ Insta stores पे this retails for rupees 1500 and on some it retails for 2000 and in some it retails for 1000. So मैंने ये nearby store से लिया to ensure the authenticity, and it costed me 1100 rupees. But I said that this is one time investment and you don't need to invest any further after this because this is a really good product. The last product I say, which is a little bit more than expensive, but if you buy a full size of this lipstick, this retails for rupees 2100, but the formulation of the lipstick is really nice. I usually don't recommend lipsticks on every video because I believe that investing in 2 to 3 good shades, you're good to go. But this shade is something which I cannot take my eyes off once I saw it, so I would suggest you to go for this Smashbox Driver's Seat lipstick. This is a mini version of it, but if you buy the full size of this product, it is not going to go anywhere for around 2 to 3 months, even if you are using it daily, because ये थोड़ा सा ही लगता है and the formulation is so good. It feels like there is nothing on your lips. You can literally eat or drink anything, but it is not going to go anywhere because I have experienced this lipstick with a time period of almost 12 hours and I didn't see it go anywhere. It is because of the good formulation that this lipstick has, and I recommend you to buy this if you have a budget. If you don't have a budget, you can go for the mini version of this lipstick because this lipstick is just to die for, and the shade is itself so pretty. I'm gonna swatch it for you because I can't resist myself from swatching this particular shade. You can see that this is a very pretty peach coral kind of a shade, and I just love the formula and the lip shade. If I find any dupe of this in the further future, I'm surely gonna share it with you, but for now this is the one lipstick I can swear by. So this ends this video, and I hope you like this video because this includes all the makeup products you must have this Diwali, and this is gonna glow you up like anything. And I must say that if you invest in any of these products, you won't regret because these are the products I have used on myself and on my models and on my clients, and I know the experience these products give me. None of the products have been sponsored, it has all been brought by me, but the products which I swear on is like something which I suggest you to buy that. I don't suggest you to go for any other product. This video is something that is going to help you to buy the exact right product for yourself. So I hope you like this video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel, and if you are subscribing, please press the bell button along with it because that is going to notify you whenever I'm going to upload a video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and have a look at the other videos given in the description box. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye.